Hello friends, it's Wednesday morning. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. And then here is the weather. It's raining heavily. From June to February, it rains most of the time. So this month, I think there will be a coming typhoon in the Philippines. I see. Alright, so guys, at the back of this washing machine, someone is hiding here. Here they are. Panda gave birth 3 days ago.
Panda, you can tell me.
And she has two puppies. A brown one and a black one. Here they are.
Black and this is black. That's different colors. Yeah. How about this panda? Going girls on the treetop. You can see your friend. I say bye-bye to the frog.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Now he can give birth to her eggs in the lake. Bye-bye, puppies.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I just want to share with you guys the perfect food for this cold weather in the Philippines is to have hot chocolate porridge. So this morning, the kids, they have scrambled eggs with banana, and then for this afternoon I will try to give them the hot chocolate porridge. So these are the simple ingredients that we will be using for this afternoon's cooking video. First, we need to have a big pot for our chocolate porridge. And then this morning I prepared this cooked glutinous rice. So this is what we will use for the porridge this afternoon. So first we need to put the rice, glutinous rice, the cooked glutinous rice in the pot. So the size of your pot would depend on the number of family members you have. Also the amount of the rice that you will put in the pot. It will all depend on you. So in our case, we are 4 in the house. So I almost cooked 3 cups of glutinous rice. And next, we are going to add water in it. So 3 cups of glutinous rice is good for 4 to 6 people. So now we will turn on our burner into medium-high heat. And right after boiling, we will add cocoa, chocolate powder. For using an ordinary rice, you have to wait for it. You have to wait for the rice to turn into a sticky one before you will add the chocolate powder.
Only wait for 10 minutes.
But today I am using the glutinous rice, so I won't be waiting for it too long to get it into the sticky texture.
We'll have to wait for 2 minutes, right?
Yeah. So we will just wait for it to boil, and then we can add the cocoa powder as well as the sugar.
Mommy, it's not fun play.
Yeah, you can play there, guys, while waiting for our chocolate porridge. While waiting for it to bring to the boiling point itself, we have to remember to constantly stir it to avoid burning the rice.
I just wait for mommy.
Okay, so it started to boil already, so we are now going to add our chocolate powder. Yeah, you can play with your sister. Oh no, thanks for the help, but I cannot allow you to touch this one or else you're gonna burn yourself. You will just have to help me when it's not in the dangerous area, okay? Fire is a very dangerous stuff. It's so hot. So I'm using this tabilla coconut chocolate drink. Actually, this is for drinking, but this can also be added to your chocolate porridge.
I locked the door in the room.
Oh no, be careful.
I'm fine. I'll lock in the room. Come on, let's go.
So just mix it well. Now we will add sugar to our porridge. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you like it to be sweet, you can add more sugar to it.
Yeah.
But I think for my kids, I don't want them to eat porridge which is too sweet.
Yeah, that's too much sugar.
Yeah.
And may damage the teeth.
Yeah, it may damage your teeth, right?
Yeah, and let your tummy get hurt.
Oh yeah. So that's why I don't allow them to
Eat a lot of sugar.
eat too much sweets, right? Because it may damage your teeth.
Only 5 scoops of sugar, right?
Yeah.
And 5 scoops of sugar make it sweet, right? That's a lot. That makes it that sweet.
Yeah, we will not be. So here's our chocolate porridge for this afternoon. So this is perfect for today's weather. It's cold weather. And so it's already cooked. We will now serve this hot chocolate porridge to the kids. My husband is still asleep, so later on I'll just make this warm again for him to eat it. Be careful. How does it taste?
Yummy.
Oh. There's a tissue here. How does it taste, Sarah?
Delicious.
Hello friends, good morning. The rain has just stopped and now I am going to public market to buy some meat. It has rained a lot this week. Today's weather is cloudy. I think it will rain again later. Hello, Mr. Goat. Good morning. How are you? Here in the province, we are now under modified quarantine. So the buses and other public utility vehicles are now allowed to work. So here is the situation of the public market. Here's the birthing center here in Medellin, and we're going to buy bread. We're buying bread. Specials, and then toasted bread. Now we will get inside public market so I'm now done buying the sliced bread as well as the butane that we are using for our cooking.
na. Oh, yan na hapon og paton na. Ayan sa dire. Uy, dire.
Pusit, eh? Sana? Friends, I just arrived home and so many things to do in the house. I just bought ice outside since our refrigerator had been sold. Bought some drinks outside too. Then preparing some drinks for him. Requested for some drinks. Someone is wondering why I'm talking about and talking to you guys. He doesn't know. So I'll show you what are the things that I bought today outside when I went to public market this morning. Actually, he only gave me 1,000 pesos. And then he told me that I had to purchase the needs of things. Yeah, I bought the needs then, but I got short. I think I purchased almost 1,000 pesos. I know, it's more than 1,000 pesos. Things that I bought today outside. So one tray of eggs. This is 170 pesos. And then my husband really loves green mangoes. So this is only 1 peso. For 1 peso, I bought 15 green mangoes, good for 15 pesos. And then here is actually we are going to make coated pork cutlet to this afternoon. So I also bought here tomatoes, green tomatoes, and then what else do I have here? This is for our sauce for the pork cutlet sauce. I bought 1 apple for 10 pesos, cucumber, carrot, small carrot. This is not included for our sauce this afternoon, but I bought 4 cloves of garlic. A bulb of garlic, 4 bulbs of garlic, and then red bell pepper. We got a lot of plastics today. Yeah, we got a lot of plastics. This is tomato. Yeah, so much plastics in the house. So this is for the sauce, pork cutlet sauce.
Why, Mommy?
So I just place it in a big bowl. Now we will go to this plastic. Yeah.
This mango and
I also purchased
How about when you banana?
mangoes.
Don't forget banana. We need mangoes.
I bought
too.
4 mangoes.
We need
Someone took 1 mango already. 4 mangoes. The price of the mango, the yellow mango this time is 120 pesos per kilogram.
we mango too.
And then banana.
Really?
Yes, I'm gonna stick banana. This is 90 pesos. Banana is 90 pesos.
Peel it off.
1 kilogram is 90 pesos. And then going to this plastic, this Milo
There's Milo.
for their hot chocolate.
Yeah, and hot chocolate. There's
And
3
then,
packs of hot chocolate.
yeah, Burger brand. And then for our pork cutlet this afternoon, oh no, this is flour, all-purpose flour, and I forgot I mixed the white onion. Why are you putting it there, Johan? It's our this is 1/2 kilogram flour. And then at the bake shop today, I bought sliced bread and toasted bread. And then for our cooking, we bought protein. So these are the things I bought today at the public market.
Yeah. Got eggs.
Oh, I forgot. I also bought
Milo and
this
hot chocolate.
breadcrumbs. Oh, where's our pork? Oh, the milk. And also, I forgot to tell you guys that I bought the pork cutlet. I know this is not a pork cutlet, but I'm going to cut it into thin slice. This is for our pork cutlet later on. I just have to cut it here like this. And yeah, this is 1 kilogram. It's 210 pesos. And then I also bought this Filipino, what's this, kakanin? I don't know how it will call. Empanada. Yeah, I buy empanada outside too. 10 pesos. This is very delicious. It's warm. Okay, the final round. So these are the things I bought today outside. Thank you so much, guys, for
Watching our video.
watching our videos.
Bye. See you in the next video.
To give it to your appa. Let me see your face. Uh-oh, handsome boy. Okay, give it up. It's cooking time, guys. So for this afternoon's coated pork cutlet, it is good for our lunch and dinner. So here are the main ingredients for our coated pork cutlet this afternoon. After the porridge, we will have coated pork cutlet. For pork cutlet this afternoon, guys, these are the things that we'll be using. We need to have the steak style cut of the pork, and then later on you'll cut it like this. Okay, I just cut that from this one. I slice it like this, and then we need breadcrumbs, flour, all-purpose flour, and then this one is for our sauce: cucumber, onion, bell pepper, and carrot. Oh no, I forgot to put the apple. We need apple for our sauce too. So I won't be showing you the whole process of this. I already have the video. I'll just link down below the video clip for tangsuyok. Korean word for pork cutlet. Coated pork cutlet is tangsuyok in Korea. So let's start. First, I will just have to cut it like this.
Have 10, Mommy. So that way the extra pieces. But they only got very yummy. And Mommy will bite each. This is my coming. This is my style.
Hello friends, finally our pork cutlet has been cooked. So here is our sauce. Yeah, with veggies inside, carrot, cucumber, onion, and bell pepper, as well as apple. I also have here pickle, cucumber pickle. That's it, friends. The two kids are already eating. They were eating when I was still cooking. So now they are asleep. And my partner in crime is still asleep, so I'm alone eating. That's it, guys. Delicious. It's a long time. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.